Jasmine here, broker of Guardianship Estate Realty. So this video is going to be about court-appointed guardians and their role in real estate transactions. So what is a court-appointed guardian? So, guardians are appointed by the courts for elderly incapacitated adults. So someone can be considered incapacitated if they are not doing well health-wise or mentally. Some people get older and they'll get dementia, so they will become incapacitated. Once they are legally, medically deemed incapacitated, they will become a ward of the state. After they become a ward of the state, a judge will try to notify any living relatives. If no living relatives step forward to take care of that elderly adult, then the court will appoint a court-appointed guardian to take care of that person. Now, many people don't know this. Once you become a court-appointed guardian and you are deemed the guardian of an elderly incapacitated adult, you now have control over all of their assets: bank accounts, savings, cash savings, stocks, bonds, and any assets that you do have, including real estate, cars, anything that you deem as an asset. So, court-appointed guardians, in order to take care of the incapacitated adult, and most of the time, the elderly clients, they do have medical issues. And again, some of them have dementia, Alzheimer's, so a lot of them do need 24-hour care. So they are usually moved to a long-term care facility or an adult rehabilitation program so that they can get the nursing care that they need. And this nursing care does cost a lot of money. So in order to pay the bills, and a lot of times there are back medical bills, and again, medical bills from the long-term care facility, the guardian, with the judge's approval, is able to sell the assets to pay for the person's care. Okay? So, let's get into where they fit into the real estate transaction. So there is an elderly incapacitated person. They have been legally incapacitated through their medical doctor and now through the courts. The judge tries to notify any and all family members that this person is now deemed medically incapacitated, mentally incapacitated, and they can no longer take care of themselves. They can no longer be alone and be able to take care of their bills and themselves. If no one shows up and no one lets the court know that they will take care of this person, the judge will appoint a court-appointed guardian for that person. Once that is done, the court-appointed guardian will look over anything that the client needs. If they need to be placed into a long-term care facility, if they can stay in their own home safely. But usually they cannot stay in their own home safely, which is why they now have a court-appointed guardian. In order to pay for their care for the long-term care facility, that guardian will be allowed to sell that asset. Then they connect a real estate agent. But guardians usually want to connect with a certified guardianship and estate real estate professional, because the guardianship, selling a home as a guardian, is very complex. You have so many moving parts, and it's a lot of legal aspects that have to be done correctly, and a lot of people do not know how to navigate that process. Okay? So you definitely want to get a certified guardianship and estate real estate professional if you are a court-appointed guardian and you're looking to sell an asset for a client. Okay, guys, so that's what a court-appointed guardian is and how they fit into the real estate transaction.